Okay, thank you, televiewers. Now we go for newspaper review. Wait till when newspaper them talk. Now way with the talker. The first one, Echo Outlook. Now you come out for today. Headline as everything. They say some Cameroonian don't invent machine for make rain. Huh? Wonderful. He invent machine for make rain how? Any that one, wanna go read them from newspaper. They say Cameroon don't get 10 billion francs CFA for boost their production for cotton. Say na AU, say na. All the things they so they only send money, Una excuse me. People dey only beg money. Why una no fit work, make the cotton? Una only embezzle. They dey only send them, But say Ngambe people them, they don't decide say no, they want find medicine for COVID-19. Now so Echo Outlook the talk. Say Ngambe people, they inside researching. Traditional doctor or Ngambe people, they don't say no. It will say nah them go find the solution, say it don't pass one man them, so may they leave them for them. At the ask and say now they go for research. They never hear say Madagascar we don't take it on. Or what Bishop for Cameroon no be say we don't produce on one. When I go for they go take samples and for they then test them, then try for una try for live una brother them for up. I know say Africa man no one see how he own brother go up. Enough fit. Right. Maybe we'll go for the next one. Now the Guardian Post. They say independence struggle. Say Amba people them, they instant fight against Anglophone. Now so Guardian Post talk. No. But from way to way, it come up for us. It is shown as say now the Anglophone people them they suffer plenty. Now so it is show. With the rampant kidnapping and this and that and ransom asking. Now so with the year and I think that we newspaper they talk. This is very, very inquiet. I beg una change strategy, no. If you come say you want fight for me, no. No fight for me, then you fight with me. Then after I fight against me. Or you fight without me. Or you fight is me. It's not correct. They say extraordinary thing happened. In 6 months, Port for Bonaberi, that side for container, they don't make 23 billion francs in 6 months. Extraordinary thing. That means a port will make that kind of money. So that means say seaport before make that kind of money. Extraordinary kind of thing. Anyway, we'll go for the next one. The Star. They say Ocha don't decide. Say he wants to suspend his activities. Away it shows say now 2.3 million people they go die. We only get for Kinio. If Ocha stop and we don't die. Okay. We only give for kidney. They still talk against a big man for Bar Association for Boya. No, Cameroon Bar Association president. He go take traditional title for Boya. I the show self say no be a Bakure man. Oh, anyhow it is. Now God for we one, and you one for God. They talk that thing again. Any man for himself, God for we all. They say first school living certificate they will get for right time today. Whether it's status or it no status, because the government is so it is very, very inquiet. Not correct. We'll go for next one. We'll do for the Gazette. The Gazette. The Gazette who could talk say ceasefire first before reconstruction of reconstruction. What do you mean? Say na so say them don't talk. So they say pre-ceasefire talks them be there between the government and Seseko and co. So they be look and say if they say na on diplomatic way for do things. But the simplest thing I say, so man no fit vex. Then you can't burn your ass. It is still vex with you. Then you never tell you say you be sorry, then you want can be yours. Is it normal? They call them innormality. Even PG Baba go talk say ça ce n'est pas normal. Anyhow, may we go for the next one. We'll do for the advocate. Privatization for Kameku. Biya beautifies bride. That means you know tell where you get so your phone where it don't spoil. You know why you don't have phone again. But you want to sell that phone. So you take and go for technician, make it just make on. Make the phone on. So as the phone on, as you just flash for customer. As it grieve buyer, what that na the next hour ya hano nothing now where they talk for here. Say it don't inject 15 billion. May they try for make the company look sellable. Privatization or no privatization, would they look at? Maybe we'll go for next one, master. They pause. The headline for dinner interview for Bishop Emmanuel Bushu. All thing the way he talk about CUIDB, internal wriggling them, Anglophone crisis. He talk all thing. Then the reconstruction plan. If you go read that, you go see that one. I join for tell when I say even Bishop too, he guy owns more talk for auditing the way them they happen. When I know say na papa for Catholic Church for Cameroon, now them be big people, so them get to for talk some thing. Maybe we'll go for the next one. They say News Watch. UN threatened to suspend. Hey, now for them now it don't bad. If UN the threaten for suspend humanitarian operation them for the Anglophone crisis, would adayo, 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 adai. Now so we go the hala for adayo, 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 adai. Hi! UN would the bego. If you stop and we don't die, oh. They say Bishop Bibi is surrounded by dangerous people. Say, Bishop Bibi, may you take care. Like how would you hear say, Father Sop de Poayi na Poayi. Now it is shown na say, you two, you are surrounded with very, very oh, would the only talk na say, may you take care. Say, Biya don't instruct the president, instruct Ministry of Finance. Say the 2.4 billion where it be promised and for enterprises them will pay. I don't know why they will keep the money. They will keep the money now for it. They don't give una money, say, give them for the people. May they try for push forward. May think them they happen. Una day, una say, gang, gang, gang. Why are you keeping the money? Keeping the money is of no uselessness, of no use. So, Baba Polo for update. Don't tell them, say, according to newspaper, say either wanna pay the money or wanna pay the money. They say Boya go host the first ever Pan-African Entrepreneurial Conference. For the kind time. Entrepreneurial Conference is fine. Because now for the way entrepreneur, that means people then when they get bright ideas, they go come together. That means they go conglomerate for join for make a meeting they go for before. Now very good idea. Oh. Who no one here again say oh in the anyhow. Would only pray na say me tinda waka. Oh. Would you go for the next one? Where bank don't approve or give we 72 billion loan for educational system. Again. Now what will happen for other people then where they say no, they don't go for prison, where they be thief money, they don't recover the money. Una get people where una be borrow money, they thief them. Una don't catch them. Una go lock them. Una still go borrow different money. Una never even find way for Abe una, excuse me. This news so they worry me. Chai make off no sweet so. I'm telling you. La vie de l'homme blanc chez nous. Now so it be again, we go pay the one now. Anyhow, na tiwe newspaper talk, we go only go ye. They say Libya Lem youth condemn that kidnap. All the Libya Lem youths, all they fund them, they don't condemn the kidnapping. Where una dey suffer now with them so sometimes na una mommy them, una grandmammy them, una own picking them no. They kidnap again now for waiting no. La vie de l'homme blanc chinois. Say UNESCO too don't do some fighting. All things all there now for newspaper. Say UNESCO too don't do some fighting. It don't give some Cameroonian journalist award. Say it promote African culture. Now fighting. All this with plenty other story them. Una go for newspaper. Una go see them for them. No, we'll go for the next one. Cameroon Insider. Say government comes to rescue for tomato sector. They be asking me you come. Or tomato be tell you say no, I need say me you save me. We all play na tomato, the whole place. They want do na, they want add some other tomato. Una take money put them for better place. Because they for orphanage where they no get socks. Una go buy socks. Or buy them ice cream or kwili or adagwa. Make they chop. Say hey, una dey go for safe tomato sector. Where tomato save you no need for do no nothing. You put them for ground. It don't big. Ripe. They don't get grass, so they mix it where they take and spray tomato. It don't chip the whole place. Any man will buy. When I say we go come again, say no. When I want rescue tomato, tell when I say you they die. Then they still talk again. Say cotton farmers. They don't get some small grant where the other newspaper but they talk. Say they don't give them some small money. When I see talk this thing, when I borrow money, vous allez payer que ça que quand? Hein? Comment Jericho? Vous allez que payer ça que quand? No, we'll go for next one. The Guardian Post again. Say those government dialogue with the end with to end crisis, you know, they say the people them way government they talk with them for end the Anglophone crisis. If they seriously they want to talk for them. May you talk because it didn't do overstay. It don't overstay. Now 3 years is the campus. Picking them they suffer, they catch the one for this side. You know if you get your dada, you see they go, Papa God. They say ministers clash over ceiling of government health facility. Now for what you know? Now the next one, the son. They see explain, say, they see explainer. What a minister they clash now with you. Say na limbe the boil so. Minister they clash. Say they want leave health facility, go inside doing a different thing with money. But now for wait you. Make we go for the next one. I tell a chef say now for this chef way we finish. Make we go for the next lot. Why I the hot? I know say you eye the hot. People then they two way their eye the choke. If you eye the hot for buy, people they way their eye the hot for say, will they come back?